So Zaid, we have been watching you in a different characters. Basically, you have done the roles of a metrosexual urban man. So what kind of character you are playing in this magic? What kind of magic we are just going to see on the screen?
Well, I like to believe that I'm still metrosexual, and I'm still sexy, and I'm still urban. So, having said that, I think this film is it's a film that's based on a very like upbeat, cool kind of urban-centric and pan-India, international. So I think it's catering to a wide spectrum of audience. This film, I have to say, it's never easy for to be first-time producers, Amisha and Kunal. I've worn that hat. It's not easy at all, but I can tell you that they've been doing a fabulous job. I have been in the company of people I feel have been veterans, being producers of this film. And as you can see, it's the kind of film that, is very, very hardcore Indian at its heart, but it has a great international sensibility. I think those are the kind of movies that most people are used to watching. I've been very fortunate to have a great crew. I think, with Sanjay, Aseem, Kunal, and cast as Sahil and Ravi and all these guys put together. It's such and of course Randhir ji, who brings so much energy to the set, and all the stories that I can't really tell you guys right now. But I think altogether it's a total package of a film. It's an entertaining film. It's the kind of metrosexual feeling we want everybody to come in with, and hopefully they find a good view and a good watch. So thanks. Yeah.
Hi everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
अमीशा, सबसे पहले तो यही पूछना चाहेंगे, फिल्म का नाम है देसी मैजिक
जी,
पर सभी लोग यहाँ पे विदेशी मैजिक दिख रहे हैं. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो व्हाट इज ऑल अबाउट द देसी मैजिक.
वेल, फिल्म को अभी रिलीज होने में काफी वक्त है, तो जैसे आप प्रोमोज देखोगे टेलीविजन पे, अप्रैल में आ जाएंगे, आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा पता चलेगा कि देसी मैजिक का क्या राज है. अभी तो हम कुछ नहीं बता सकते. आई एम सॉरी.
थैंक यू.
What's right with them actually right now?
I can tell you whatever's wrong with them, at least it looks stylish. So
I fell down shooting for Desi Magic with Ravi ji on the set 3 weeks ago at the end of our schedule at 7:30 in the morning, and I tumbled off stairs and we were doing this action thing, and the action person in front of me, the fighter, got distracted as soon as I came and tripped me, and I had tables and chairs fall all on me. So that was what happened, and my bone got swollen and my bone got twisted, and I'm recouping still. And I don't know what Zaid's been up to.
I fell down looking at this beautiful girl falling. I said, I have to go save her. Like a true Bollywood actor, and I also got hurt. So that's the true nature of the story. But please don't miss the pink bandage that Amisha has. I really love that. I really love that look. At
Everyone's been asking me, is it a
cool
fashion statement? And I said, I went to the doctor and I said, Doc, if I've got to look bad, I might as well do it well. You've got to have an injury, do it in style. Don't give me, nude colored bandages. And she's like, actually, you're asking me for colors. I said, see, if you're going to put nude, I'm going to paint them over. So you might as well put what colors I want. So they're in the theme of Desi Magic, actually.
Ravi, talking to you. Yeah. आपने बहुत सारे देसी बॉयज का रोल किया है. इसमें किस तरह का रोल करा, और अमीशा फर्स्ट टाइम प्रोड्यूसिंग कर रहा, तो किस तरह के ऑन सेट था वो?
अमीशा के साथ हम वे बैक जाते हैं 16 ईयर बैक, जहाँ पे एक प्ले किया था हमने, नाटक किया था नीलाम. सो वो एक दोस्ती रही हम लोगों की. वहां से कोई मिल गया के पहले, और तो फिर एक दोस्त ने बुलाया कि आइए, एक अद्भुत सा रोल है. एंड इट्स रोल एक्चुअली जो कहा था वही था, एक अद्भुत सा रोल था. आई एम प्लेइंग एक ऐसा रोल जो कभी नहीं किया मैंने, और बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. और इसका नाम है डेविडॉफ. इनके साथ इनसे प्रेम करने लगता है, इनसे शादी करना चाहता है. इसका अंदाज अलग है, और फिरोज साहब की याद आएगी, बहुत सारी चीजों की याद आएगी. ये बहुत ही आनंद देगा. ये एक कंप्लीट मसाला, जैसे कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एक्टर्स आप देख रहे हैं, तो फुल ऑन पैसा वसूल फिल्म. अद्भुत संगीत, फोटोग्राफी, अमीशा पूरी जान लगाई हैं, कुणाल ने पूरा. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि एक अच्छे सिनेमा के साथ हम जुड़े. यहाँ पे सारे बड़े दिग्गज कलाकार हैं, गुड कास्ट एंड क्रू, और बड़ी ईमानदारी से अमीशा आत्मा से जुड़ी हुई है और अमीषा के लिए बहुत एक अच्छा सिनेमा हम सब लोगों के लिए। सो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है ये सिनेमा करके।
हमेशा लास्टली यू नो लाइक एक्टिंग करना और प्रोड्यूसिंग करना इट्स डिफरेंट जॉब, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हिच इज द टफ साइड, एक्टिंग या प्रोड्यूसिंग?
Definitely producing. It's almost like committing suicide, but I love it. It's when you have a partner like Kunal, he lets you focus being the actress also, and that's the pleasure of it. And this is my toughest film. Kunal has chosen the toughest role. This vision of the film is completely his. Every event that you see, every idea that's unique, even in the film, his sense of music, it's all him. And he had the concept of a double role, and he's given me the toughest film of my career. So, but I'm enjoying the challenge completely.
जाहिद सर, आपके लिए आपने पहले भी प्रोड्यूस कर चुके, आपके होम प्रोडक्शन जैसे कि लव ब्रेकअप जिंदगी,